If you try to stop sharing your iPhone location with someone right now, they're going to get a notification immediately. But what if you need to go off the grid for a bit? Maybe you're planning a surprise, or you just value your privacy without tipping them off. Today I'm showing you 3 foolproof ways to freeze your location completely undetected. Method number 1. Let's start with the fastest option. If we open the message app right now and hit stop sharing, the alert is sent. We don't want that. Instead, swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the control center and tap on airplane mode. This instantly severs all connections, Wi-Fi, cellular, everything. Your iPhone simply cannot update Apple servers, meaning your location freezes precisely where you are. When you're ready to reappear, just turn airplane mode off, and your location will seamlessly update. The catch? You have 0 internet access, but don't worry. If you still need to be online, method 2 fixes that. If you need to text or browse the web while you're keeping your location hidden, you need to go into your settings. Scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Tap on location services at the very top. Toggle the main switch completely off and confirm your decision. If we check our messages app again, you'll see no alert was sent to the other person. You still have internet access, but there is one downside. Disabling this means apps like Google Maps won't work. If you need a GPS to navigate while driving, this isn't ideal. Which brings us to the ultimate workaround, my personal favorite. Method 3. If you want the full use of your phone, your internet, and your GPS, you need to use the decoy method. For this, you just need a second Apple device logged into Apple ID, like an iPad or an old iPhone. Open the Find My app on the second device. Tap Me in the bottom right corner and swipe up. Because it's on the same Apple ID, you will see an option that says use this device as my location. Tap that and leave that device sitting right here at home. You can now walk out the door with your primary iPhone. You will have full internet and full GPS, but to anyone checking your location, it will look like you haven't moved an inch from your house. Ever wonder how to fix iPhone black screen of death? Check this video out now.